Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 7, Term 3rd, Unit 1, Prose, Journey by Train. Real Train Experience. Around the world in 80 days. Mr. Phileas Fogg took up a challenge to travel around the world in 80 days. He took his attendant passport out. He got a friend during his journey, Sir Francis Cromarty. They reached India and travelled in train. The train passed bridges, islands, mountains. The train crossed forest areas where snakes and tigers and elephants lived. The train travelled along the river Tapti. The train stopped at Berhampur. The conductor asked all of them to get down. The train would not go further. The passengers got furious and angry. Finally, they decided to travel on an elephant. Mr. Phileas Fogg decided to buy the elephant for £2,000. He got a skilled elephant driver. They continued their journey towards Allahabad. They planned to get a steamer that would leave Calcutta on 26th. This is the night journey we see. Fantastic illuminated night journey in Mumbai. We can see darkness and the small lights glittering. The train passes through the tunnel, black tunnel. Very soon we'll see the light. Yes, it is coming. Now we have entered outside. The train moves out of the tunnel, coming out of the tunnel and entering another tunnel. Fantastic tunnel, very good. Train, move, fast. We can see a beautiful scenery over here. Fantastic scenery, forest, ranges. When nice scenery, we enjoy the scenery very well. Children, elders, everybody can admire the beauty of the nature. Plants and trees and birds and lovely creatures are over there. Forest and beautiful trees. This is what we tell, admiring the beautiful nature. Now let's see what's going to happen. Now let's see the interior part. Forest area, we can see the mountain, misty clouds and the sky. Now we are entering inside the train. We see the wash basin where we brush our teeth, and here is the toilet facilities. The connecting part of two bogies. Door where we board in and board out. The train leaves with the X mark. It means that is the last compartment. We can see the nearby areas. See the train curls like a snake. He goes, moves in a fantastic manner, and now it's changing its track from first track to the next track. He knows where to go, how to go, when to go, why to go. Beautiful train, nicely change the track. So many masterminds are working. Here we see the dry river. In this season there is no water, otherwise full of water. This is the bridge, and train gradually, slowly moving like a snake. Since there is no water, we can see no fish or bird or anything. Otherwise, plenty of fish, birds we can see. Here we can see a little bit of water in this river. Let's save water and save more trees. Water looks so beautiful, shining. Now let's see what's going to happen next. Train shall almost cross the bridge. Now we'll enter the land. Again, scenery started. All the lush green. Train moves. We can see our own train sitting front. Very good. Train is moving smoothly, gently, and it's going clear cut. Where to go, how to go. And if you have many tracks over there, all of them are we see many types of trains: goods train, passenger, sleeper, Rajdhani, Shatabdi Express, and many more trains, metro train and all. So this is goods train we see now. So this will only carry goods from one place to another place. Only one driver. So thanks to the goods train. Let's see some interior parts. This is the window where we sit. Some windows are for emergency. In case of any incident or accident, we can break open and move outside or inside. This is the fan. There will be 3 fans, and this is the sleeper class where if we have berth. In one thing, 3 people can sit. So opposite 3 members, and right side another 2 members. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 7, 8 members can sleep comfortably throughout the night. We have light and everything. TTs will be there to attend our things. We see the train moving so fast. Virtual experience. Even if you have not traveled in train, this is enough. This is how we travel in train. One day we can all join hand in hands and travel in train. The tracks, parallel tracks, will run over. Enjoyable trip, right? Okay, so happy journey. Once again we will meet, and this is the X mark. It means that is the last compartment. Thank you.